Hey there, YouTube creators! We have got some exciting news that's going to change the game for you. YouTube is making it easier for you to access the monetization tools under the YouTube Partner Program or VPP. The new conditions to qualify for the partner program are 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 3 million short views or during the previous 90 days. That's right, we have lowered the bar from 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. This means more of you can now apply to become a part of VPP. And once you are in, you'll have access to tipping tools like Super Thanks, Super Chat, and Super Sticker, subscription tools like channel memberships, and the ability to promote your merchandise with YouTube Shopping. This new eligibility criteria applies in the US, the UK, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea, and we'll be rolling it out to other countries soon. But wait, there's more. We are expanding our shopping affiliate program. If you are a US based creator in YPP with over 20,000 subscribers, you can now tag products in your videos and shorts and earn a commission. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to earn more while doing what you love. We are committed to helping creators succeed. That's why we are constantly introducing new monetization tools and features. From sharing and revenue on shorts to launching creator music, we are always looking for ways to support you. We will be discussing all these exciting changes and more at the VidCon conference next week. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest from YouTube. Here's to your success creators, YouTube, where creators thrive.